What's going on, team? Happy freaking Tuesday. I hope all of you are having a wonderful morning so far. So for the exercise of the week, I'm going to break down the dead bug. All right. So the dead bug is a fantastic core stabilization exercise. I give it to all of my one-on-one clients. I program it for myself. It's just a phenomenal exercise to help activate your entire core, right? So your core, think of it as like a can, right? A Coke can. You can stand on a Coke can, right? Because it has that internal pressure, but once it has a kink in it, well, then you're going to fall over or that can is going to crumble. Think of your core as a can, this intra-abdominal pressure to help stabilize your spine. So dead bug is a great exercise to help activate all of those muscles. All right, and here's how you do it. So arms and legs are going to be up in the air. All right, arms and legs are up in the air right here. Now the key to this is you want to press your low back into the ground. All right, you can even lift your hips up a little bit if you need to help kind of roll. All right, roll those hips underneath to press your low back into the ground. If you're just starting off with this exercise, just lower one leg at a time. All right, one leg at a time. And again, all right, keeping your low back pressed into the ground the entire time, okay? So if you start to lower your leg and you feel your low back come up, that is your limit. Go ahead, bring that foot back up and reset, all right? Reset, go as low as you can and nice and slow. So this is a nice, slow, controlled exercise. So one of the most common mistakes that I see is that people aren't actually lowering their entire leg. They'll lower their leg just a little bit and then they'll bend at the knee the rest of the way. All right, as you can see right here. So in order to reset that, you want to move from your hip. All right, move from your hip and lower your leg down the entire way down. All right, so you're not even bending your knee, right? Your knee is frozen. Your legs are frozen in this position. Rotate them out just a little bit and then slowly lower one leg at a time. Now, as you progress, you can move opposite leg and opposite. Again, everything is slow and controlled. I'm going as far as I can while keeping my low back pressed into the ground. So like I said before, this is probably my favorite way to activate the core and create that intra-abdominal pressure within the core to help stabilize the spine. So give it a try. Let me know what you think. And if you have any other exercise that you want me to coach you up on or break down or critique or whatnot, comment below and let me know, all right? Let me know. I'll add it to the list. Other than that, have a fantastic Tuesday. Go win.